welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another Cook With Me. Today is actually Tuesday when I'm filming this, and tomorrow we are going to a March Madness Sweet 16 get together. So I thought I'd make a nice snack mix to set on the table or out by the bar. And what I'll do is I put it in a big bowl and bring cups and a spoon, so people aren't just all putting their hands in, and they can scoop up a cupful of mix and enjoy as they're walking around and chatting with each other. So I thought I'd bring you along today while I made the mix, and it's one I haven't made before, so I'm going to give it a try. I'm going to buy one more product tomorrow, and I will show it to you then. I'll be finishing this video probably tomorrow morning, because this has to cool before it's actually ready. And so I won't be able to do any kind of a taste test to get truly the right taste until it's had a chance to cool completely. And it is already 3 o'clock in the afternoon, so I won't have time to do that today. So anyway, let me take you down to the counter and I will show you what we're going to use. It has lots of ingredients in it, and then I'll explain what I'm going to get tomorrow. Be right back. Let's go down and make a Parmesan ranch snack mix. Sounds good. Now this is going to be made in the crock pot. And once I get this mixed up, I'll move it over here. I have my crock pot here, and I put a liner in it. It'll make it easy for cleanup, but it'll also make it easy just to lift this liner out with the snack mix in it when I have to put it out on a cookie sheet later to cool. I'm going to set my crock pot to low, and this is going to cook in the crock pot for 2 hours on low. And let's get busy and put some of the snacks together. First, we're going to need 3 cups of the original Cheez-Its. And we're doing it all together here. I haven't even got these boxes open yet. Three cups. One, 2, whoop, 3 1/4. Okay, I'll show you the box. That's the Cheez-Its, regular ones, original. Then it calls for 3 cups of the grooves. Now the grooves are another Cheez-It product, and this one is asking for the zesty cheddar ranch. So let's open that one up. And 3 cups of this. One, 2, 3. They don't fit in the cup very as well as the other ones did. Now we need 2 cups of small pretzels, and I have these mini twists. I might be able to dip my cup in here. One. Well, maybe. 2 cups of a rice cereal. Now you know you couldn't make a snack mix without having some chex in it. So this is rice chex. So far, it certainly looks good. And now we need 1 cup of cashews. And I'm going to just put this whole can in. And that's going to be close too. These are cashew halves and pieces. And that's all of the mix ingredients. Now, I had a big spoon out here, but I'll use one here. This is good. This will make a good amount. Now I'm going to take 6 tablespoons of melted butter. And a 1/4 of a cup, and I had my 1/4 of a cup here somewhere. There it is. 1/4 of a cup of Worcestershire sauce. We'll mix those two together. And we're going to pour it over here slowly. Just trying to move it around a little bit while I'm pouring so we can make sure we get it all over. And now we're going to stir it and stir it and stir it until you see that everything is covered. Oh, and I think I forgot one thing. 2 tablespoons of the ranch dressing. Uh-oh. Well, we'll just sprinkle that on the top. Hence the name ranch. And then it will have Parmesan cheese on it after it comes back out of the slow cooker. Okay, back to mixing. Let's make sure everything gets covered. Recording. So after it's all stirred up, it goes in that slow cooker. So in my bowl here would be the 6 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of ranch dressing. And I thought I was recording and I think my camera was off. But that's what I put in here. Put it in my bowl and I've been stirring it around and stirring it around. Now it's in my slow cooker on low and it'll be there for 2 hours. And I will stir it around every half hour. Now you can do the same thing in the oven. It would go on a sheet pan at 250 for about 1 hour and 15 minutes, and you'd be stirring it every 15 minutes. So I'll be back when it's time to take this out and throw it on a sheet pan to cool, and then I'll be back again tomorrow to show you what we're going to do finally. What I think I'm going to do is just not part of the recipe. After I taste it, I will know for sure. But I think I'm going to buy a bag of M&Ms and add it to it so it's like a sweet and savory. You get a little sweet bite every so often. So I'll be back when it's time to take it out of the crock pot and put it on the pan to cool. See you in a while. Bye-bye. Okay, it's time to come out of the crock pot. So I'm going to take the cover off. And hopefully, now I have a sheet pan here and I put some parchment paper on just for cleanup purposes. So hopefully I can just pick this up and move it over to the pan. And I'm going to spread it out because it has to cool completely. It's kind of soggy right now because it's been heated so long. That cheese, it looks a little burned. We'll take that one away. Looks good. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, good morning everybody. It's another day. And this has been in the refrigerator. It looks delicious. And you can see I added little peanut butter candies. So we'll see what that tastes like with it. It looks good. I did add some Parmesan cheese. We're going to taste test. I'm already tasting it. Let me get a little bit of the peanut butter with it and see how that tastes. And the crock pot really did all the work. I have this in a Dollar Tree dish, so if I don't get the dish back, that doesn't make any difference. And I have a little scoop that will go in it, so nobody's digging their hands in and out. Looks good. Ready for the party. Okay, I'll see you again in a couple of days for another craft day. And I don't know what we'll be crafting yet, but it'll be something. In the meantime, make some good snack mix. Parmesan ranch snack mix. Like I said, use a crock pot or use your oven. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day. And play by the rules. Stay warm, stay dry, stay cool. Whatever it is you need. Until I see you again, everybody play nice now. Love ya. Bye-bye.